Good morning and good evening. Welcome back to stream. Here we are. We're back with it at trying to get this prototype out. I had a very difficult day yesterday. Just getting myself to work. So I eventually just kind of gave up at one point and decided to work more on just exploring. I took a look if I can find any games that are similar to this one. I also did finish cleaning up the code a little bit, but yeah, nothing too grandiose. And yeah, this was basically my yesterday. During the stream, we rewrote a good chunk of the character code, so now everything is in one nice little file. And also, they have their own unique behaviors, like Cuber and Grubbo. But not all of them are working right now, and also in certain cases, for example, characters cannot do resting actions, but that's just because they do not have them, for example. So now I am going to try to finish up actually with all of the extra stuff. So which one has the white? So Cuber, Cuber name, Cuber text. Right. Yeah, so I'm gonna try to finish up with just all of the other stuff that is present in the game. So that would be the UI, the UI, the intro sequence, the cordon, beach flowers. Yeah, I'm not gonna do that right now. Like wave crashing, sure. Just get it all as fast as I can, so that I can go to the AI stuff in peace at the very end. Why at the very end? Because I want to still get the feeling that this is a game, and I haven't gotten yet, and I think I can get it without having super duper fancy AI, so we shall see. So let's, I guess, begin. So first up, what is wrong with this text bubble? Why is it not going away? Perhaps I've messed something up here. Yes, we have Juno, Cuber, Chat Bubble, Grubbo, Chat Bubble. So all of these are present, but they're not being disabled, right? Yes, they aren't. Get node. Is this one somehow special? No, these are all just chat bubbles. Steffi, good evening. I haven't seen you in a while. Yeah, you too. Welcome back. Oh, okay, there was one more message. I keep getting this Discord pop-up, but I can't get rid of it though. I'm done with being humble because I know that I'm that bee. Yeah. Welcome back. How have you been doing? What have you been up to while you were away? Yeah. I've just been kind of working on this prototype like all of this time, and it's getting in better shape, but also it's starting to feel dragged out a little bit, but still pushing on. Yes, okay, it's this one. Okay, what could be? I'm good. Been through a bit of rough patch recently, so I haven't been on, but otherwise I'm doing good. Okay. Sad to hear that, but also happy that it's getting through. So yeah, nice to hear that. Have you been working? Oh, I guess if you say that you've had a rough patch, Oh, okay. No, I've also worked a very small bit on Lord and its lore. Nice, nice. Yeah, props to you for like still doing that even when I guess just things were being difficult. So, and how have you been? How have I been? I had a tough day yesterday. Just tried to work. Even I had the time to work yesterday, but I just couldn't get myself. So get myself to do that. So I just took the time to do some research on other games and see if I can find anything similar. So I found some questionable games that are kind of into the simulation stuff, but also not exactly to that genre. I did get to know about Stalker, which is a series of games about surviving in a Chernobyl-esque wasteland. And turns out that their enemies all have this like AI logic where everything is simulated and every character is just trying to survive. So I've got the first version and I tried it out. Immediately I can tell that something is a bit more off about how the characters behave. But I can almost kind of see that it's because of all of the stuff that they have to do because they are simulated. And then I went on my first mission and I died. And the game comes completely restarts because I didn't make a save. It's a pretty old game. I think it's from 2007. And yeah, I guess I'm going to try it again at some other point. But yeah, now I always remember to save. Yeah, I have to do that with these older kinds of games, definitely. So, but yeah, I'm interested to see how they do stuff because I heard the presentation talk from a person who was the main designer of the game. At least the first two. I also believe they also participated in the third. And it was very interesting. Like they had a lot of the same sentiments that I did about how games can get very predictable just by the environments that they give. And so I do want to kind of get around that and just create more dynamic situations. So yeah, and I don't know. Even though I haven't gotten that much information out of it yet, it's just a nice confidence boost that okay, some of the stuff that I'm doing has already been done, and I've just been piecing stuff together in my head, and I'm like, the more I do this, the more I think that okay, yeah, this is definitely possible to do. The only question is, how long is it gonna take me to do it? Because there was still a point where I was thinking, is this even possible, like to my own abilities? And I do believe that this is possible to my own abilities, but like this is not very well defined. But I do think it's possible, and now I just got to do it. And this prototype is getting more and more important because like depending on how this prototype goes, it depends if I'm gonna get some extra help that would maybe kinda at some point join. Like that's not confirmed, also not pressure to the person if they're watching. Like I know it was just like an idea, so I'm still just gonna do a pitch. There's also some extra stuff that might actually happen that might be really, really helpful to making sure that I can keep on developing this game. So yeah, basically just a lot of importance on this prototype, trying to not let that get to me too much. But I am excited, and also, you know, that just kind of slight frustration is building up that things are taking longer than I have expectations. But that's just the problem of having expectations. So yeah, other than that, I know still rocking, still happy with how this is going. Been playing a lot of Cyberpunk 2077. That's just also another side thing. I hated it the first time I played it, and now I am enjoying it quite a lot more. I guess it just picked a better character path, like starting character path, that I actually could get into it a lot more. Yeah. I remember once someone said, when you make a game, take your expectations and cut them into, then do that again, and you have your game. Yeah. Basically, that does sound like a good motto. I could kind of imagine it was something that the Sid Meier's would have said, maybe, because I think their approach was that if they have like some kind of thing they're trying to do for the game and it's not quite working, they either double it or cut it in half and then see if that has a different effect. Like there's no point kind of tweaking things slowly. But yeah, I guess I just have to do, like, even now I was kind of thinking of, okay, I should like jump in and start working on the AI stuff, but no, I decided beforehand that I want to finish up all of the decorative extra stuff and only then jump into AI, because I think that I'm gonna get some realizations just by having this feel a lot more like a game with like a menu and everything. So yeah, I guess with that doodaloo, let's just start on it. So, oh, also, I guess it's been a while, so I can show off some stuff from the game. So, there are now lots of sounds, like lots of movement stuff. So, every character has their own like pathing thing, but it's just like the same sound kind of pitched up and down. There's a new character, Grubbo. Grubbo's right now a little bit more special because he can jump around, like and it's a pretty fun jump. It's kind of an anime style jump because you go really high up and then really quickly back down. So yeah, rolling sounds and stuff. I've added like these. I don't know if the wind is picking up right now, but there are these like leaf bushels that kind of just go harder and then slower. Yeah, there we go. So like that's like an effect. And there's also like the trees here that kind of do the same thing. There's water sounds for when you walk in water. There is also sounds for when you walk in sand. I know that it clips right now, but that's just that for now. And then what else? I guess then just like the grass. Also grass waves. I'm very happy with that, though it does sometimes bug out and like just kind of quickly return to one position or another. And I think I know why that is. I think I'm gonna actually slow it down. I know this is not important right now, but I just want to slow down the grass. So on high wind. Okay, set process. Yes. Process high wind. Yeah, and it just kind of goes between that and back to 0. Yeah. If targets dot count is equal to return to default. There we go. Let's return to default. Like 1 second. So now it shouldn't be as jerky. Yeah, like kind of the grass takes a little bit longer to return. And that should also work for wind. Okay, let's just make it a little bit shorter. 0.5. Okay, let's get on with it. No SFX stuff. I'm gonna skip actions for now. Talking land, talking animation done. Resting animation done. That's fine. Attack hit VFX. Right. Okay, so I imagine that it should already be in there. Spawn particle, shockwave, smoke cloud, shockwave, smoke cloud. Okay, that's for jumping. Okay, let's take a look at how the player does it. Spawn spawn particle, player hit. Yes, okay. Okay, let's fix up the hitting because I think I know a little bit better now how to do rest. Okay, so someone doesn't have a rest animation. Let's take a look. Ooh. So, Cuber, you do have a rest animation. Juno, you definitely have a rest animation. Resting. Ah, okay. Right. Is there anything special bound to rest? No, this one is not special in any way. So I'm going to, I think I'm going to need to do the same for Grubbo. Animation. Resting. Right, where is resting? Resting. Okay. Hertz Tiger resting. This one I remove and rename this to rest and push it down. Save. Export all. That is done. So now I want to go to Grubbo and I want your resting animation. Get rid of that and push down rest. Okay, cool. Export. And now both of these should have rest. Good. Grubbo, you also have rest, correct? Yes, nice. All right, so that is fixed. Then the attack hit stuff. So let's go a hit. Effect player hit. Right, so this thing is kind of all over the place, right? Yeah, it is not. It's kind of not doing what I wanted to do. So maybe what it needs is a lot more particles, and it needs to like kind of shrink down. So let's go. I know. Is it okay that it's cubes? I think it's okay that it's cubes. I want to increase the size of this a little bit. Yeah. And the velocity stuff is fine. Let's go now to the process material. And yeah, the angles are good. Initial velocities. Let's say 3 to 4. Actually, no, let's do 10, 12. And then I want some damping. Damping. Accelerations, gravity. Yeah, gravity. It's fine. Came back what I miss. Just kind of showing off what's in the game, like the sounds and stuff. Is it still on stream? I know. And also, I am now fixing the hit effects particles because I'm actually gotten a little better at them. So I'm gonna try to make something that looks nice. Also, this color does not work. I think I need to make it like a lot more sparky. So a yellowish color maybe? Like a slightly yellowish color. Yeah, that might be better. Metallic emission? What is emission gonna do? Is it gonna do anything? I'm not sure. Without fog, it's probably not gonna do anything, so I'm not gonna try that right now. Transparency, I think it's fine. Doesn't need transparency. Okay. Right. So that's done with drop passes. Damping. Okay, I do want a little bit damping. So let's say 5. 20. Okay. That's an interesting effect. Then scale over velocity. Okay, I don't know about that one, but I'm just gonna have a scale curve. All right. Scale curve, and then that's kind of something. Nice. Okay, and then I want the lifetime to be like that. Maybe even shorter. Oh yeah, nice. That looks pretty darn good. Speed scale 1, explosiveness, randomness, fixed FPS, interpolate fractality. Yeah, okay. Yeah, so now it's just one shots. Dong, dong, dong. And then timer, that's gonna be 0.35. No delay. And let's take a look if now hitting stuff actually shows up nicely. So there is something not so right with the player hit stuff. Okay. Sword shape dot global position. Spawn particle. This is just in the position. Spawn particle internal. Effect instantiate at child position. Effect dot. I guess just global position. That would be better. Okay. Now, is there anything else about you that's not working? Because yeah, like see, it's somewhere around there. Interesting. It's like I was curious why that one was like not working before as well. Spawn particles. It's not direction unless it is. Spawn particle, sort shape, sort shape, sort shape. Global, global, global position. Yeah. And then does the particle itself have like any weird special properties? Not here. No, not found. Juno animation player. Okay. Cool. It's okay. It's because I have that selected. Particle manage spawner. Here we go. Particle types player hit, and then this we have. Okay, interesting. Yeah. Open scene and effect player hit. Okay. So what am I missing then? The speed scale is fine. I'm placing them in the right position, and the cubes are going places. Long yeah. Grubbo still broken. Wait, okay, why is Grubbo's text card thing still broken? Juno. Init voice lines. Grubbo. No, Cuber. Okay, yes, that's in init. So Grubbo's voice lines are fine. Character. Grubbo. No. I wonder what's wrong. Maybe I actually have a name wrong. But no, I don't have it based on names, right? World Cuber. Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna leave that for later again. What is wrong with the particles? Let's try. I guess adding it. Wait, do I have something set to like for velocity stuff? I think maybe that's the problem. Inherit velocity. There we go. No, we do not inherit velocity. That's what was breaking it. Okay, well, it's time for me to go. Almost midnight here. Yeah, thanks for sticking around. Looks like it's getting pretty late. Bye. Have a nice rest of your day. Yeah, you too. Have a good night. I'll see you around next time. It's working. Like it's a bit much, but it's definitely working. Yeah, I'm hitting, but they're actually not. Bonk, 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 bonk. Actually not seeing the player hit like effect. Huh. Interesting. So does it not register hit anymore? Here it does. Okay. Player gd.print GD. Okay, I want this. Print hit. Yes. Aha, it's because the tree, there's no client, so yeah, they're not looping back to the thing. Yes, employ by on hit this. Ah, okay, yes, so this and then palm. Where did I put it again? So behind identifier strength. Identifier strength. Player.play. Nice. Okay, so now I am going to load this up. And it's a bit intense. So maybe I can get the amount down. And also the lifetime. I don't, maybe the velocity. Velocity like 6 and 8. That's better. There we go. Yeah, that's much better. Yeah, that would actually. There we go. Hitting stuff now actually does something. Okay. So that is done. Now I want the attack hit VFX. Okay, so let's go to Grabo. No, character. Okay, so this is going to be for everyone. Hit. On hit, no. Okay, so wait, where is the player thing? Player on sword area. On hit. On hit, no 3D node. Okay. So I want something like this. And then in character. Combat. Yeah, so I want an on hit. I want an attack hit stream player. So let's go player. No player scene. Weapon particle spawner. That's no, that's I do not need that. I would like hit. And that's it. Okay, you get hit. You don't. You do need hit. You do need hit. Okay. Then I guess I'm gonna do the exact same thing. So player weapon hit sounds is an audio stream export. So character dependencies. Yeah, character weapon hit sounds. We're gonna build fail to build project. Yes. Attack hit stream. Export Stream player 3D. What is it called again? Attack hit stream player. Okay. And then on a hit, I'm going to do. So do you have a collider? No, you do not. So that is also something. Sword identifier. Collision shape. Okay. Right. This is gonna be. Let's start with Cuber because. You know what? No, let's start with Grubbo because Grubbo has the simplest. It's the simplest case of X, right? Particles, node, disconnect. Right. I'm just gonna see if I can do it all without any of this. Strength 1, node 1, yes. Collision shape. Now your shape is gonna be quite different. Because you're going to go here, 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 and then let's go from here to here. Okay. So that's the collision shape. Axe identifier is a weapon. I guess let's just call it weapon identifier collision shape. And then, right, if also palm, sword shape, that's global position. Yeah, let's do export collision identifier attack collider. Okay. Collider dot global position. Yeah. So that. Oh, but wait, it's actually over there. So I want to bring this back to 0, 0, 0. I would like to put the identifier itself over here. Yeah. Okay, that's good. Right, now I want to go to palm and then just afterwards, as player, if area dot owner dot is player, else if owner dot is character, call on this player as player, character as character dot call, right? Now that should work. And then, yeah, let's take a look. I don't know how I can get Grubbo to attack the chest. I guess I do have a idea. World script player characters. Oh boy. Okay, that makes sense. Get random target. But okay, it's just testing right now. I really don't like the dictionary stuff, but I don't want to. I really don't want to redo this. Okay, you're gonna be like so. Export public string name character names. String character names. Export public no 3D character nodes. And then characters that add player for each for less than character length plus characters dot add character names character nodes that is just the way it's gonna be. Let's build again, and then let's do I need 3 elements. So we have Juno, Cuber, Grubbo, and then here we have Juno, Cuber, Grubbo. So Juno, Cuber, Grubbo. All right. These two are bound. And now what I want is to, I guess just put them in the category. That's is the least I can do. It's export group characters. Okay. And then export group. Actually, what am I doing? I don't need that. Okay. Character nodes. Okay. So this is gonna be dot name as character name or ID. What do I have in here that's like vaguely unique? Absolutely nothing. Well, then I guess I'm just using name then. There we go. Yeah, we're adding it. That's done. How much time do we have? A little bit of time. That's fine. Yeah. Okay, so far so good. So yeah, characters we've added based on names. Now I want to do the same thing with export public node 3D object nodes entity bauble gadgets trinket nodes element nodes structure nodes objects interactable nodes. What do I call them? Oh boy. Static nodes. Elements. No. Synonyms. I don't want to use object because object is just always confusing. Like, are you talking about an object in like programming sense, or are you talking about an object in the world? So that's why Unity, I guess, uses game object because it makes just more sense. Playject. Playject? Placer. Placey. Um, Neutrals. An item. It is an item. Everything is an item. Everything is an item. Okay, item nodes. A block. A block? Sure. Let's try block nodes. It is a block. Technically, it's not cornered, but it's a block. It's a building block. Piece nodes. Piece nodes! Piece nodes! Is that how I spell it? Piece? Wait, Lego piece. Pieces. Yes, it's a piece node. It's a piece object. Nice. I can name character nodes now to Lego nodes. Okay. Nowhere else will you find so much excitement about giving something a name. We now have piece nodes. Okay. Now I just did a thing where I tried to record what I said, so that's why I was just repeating myself again. Anyway, let's go for another one here. Let's just add this to the dictionary. Dictionary string name piece. So now, all right. Node 3D. A node 3D. So it's a character. I need a wrapper. So a character is also a piece. Okay, so I need a wrapper for pieces. Let's go. Okay. I am like this is absolutely nothing. Like this is just I'm just excited that they have a name that I actually like. I'm on the verge of slight deluluness. Okay. I have piece.cs. So piece is a node 3D. Everything is going to be node 3D. And this is because I want it to have a public int ID. GUID, yes. Piece GUID. So a name, a GUID, that's fine. That's fine. I'm not gonna do like lots of inheritance stuff. I'm just gonna do at the tiniest bit of inheritance stuff. So a piece. Right. Okay. Wait. Wait. So how do I do this? I'm Godot C#, how to create base node types. Create your own custom node. It's custom child node. I'm trying to create a custom node. Global class. You can use icons and you will see abstract class in our tree when creating it. And of course, we can create them. Okay, let's try just global class. Okay. Right. Now let's try to create in the world, in the environment, a new piece. No, I need to build, of course. Let's add a piece. Piece.cs is a node 3D. I have added a piece, but it also already has a script. Right, so that is not what I want. Okay. Godot C#, custom nodes. Custom using C# nodes. How to create a custom node. We need to be able to add it to any project. Very good for just add node. Node type. Let's see the custom docs making plugins. Nodes added via an editor plugin are custom node label while they work with any scripting language. Features than the script class system if you're writing G. Custom node. Sometimes you want a certain behavior in many nodes, such as a custom scene or controller can. This is itself a lot of cases, but sometimes it can be cumbersome, especially if you're using it in my part. Add a node with a custom behavior. To create a new node, you can use add custom node type from the editor plugin class. This function. Okay. My button tool. Okay, this is not a thing. This is going to be a tool. That's it for our basic button. You can see it as a plugin folder. You'll also need a scene tree. Oh, okay. No, wait. My button tool editor plugin custom node under tree script. Delete load script. Load texture. Add custom type. Clean up of the plugin, removes here. Is that done? The plugin shall plugin sections. You can see that the set text. I'm starting to have the suspicion that this is not gonna work, but I'm gonna try anyway. Okay. Okay, so piece is a node 3D. Just gonna have that in its tools, system Godot. Good, okay. And then I want to create a inside of here I want to create a new folder, right? Okay. Inside the plugin folder. New folder. Plugin. Add-ons, I guess. Add-ons, new folder. Piece node. All right, so in piece node, I'm going to add piece. And then in here, I'm also going to add a new. So this is just custom piece node. And then this is going to be a editor plugin. Public class. Let's implement. Why? Okay, it does one partial for some reason. Then I'm just going to add these two overrides. Nope. These two. Custom piece node. All right, let's make it partial, I guess. Then add custom type. Texture 2D icon. Yeah, I can't remember texture 2D icon. Okay, I want to also get a icon. What is it? Icon.png. Sure, just gonna reuse something quickly. Sounds, UIs. Copy that, place it here. Copy, duplicate, icon. That's what it's called, right? I can just rename it. It's fine. Icon.png. Okay. And now when exiting, add custom type piece. Remove custom type piece. Let's build it and see if it runs. Tree exiting is already correct. Okay, cool. So now piece, delete piece. Okay. Now I'm gonna add to world again. Add piece. Okay, I guess I haven't done something then. Add. Yeah, that's still not working. Debugger. Clear. Output. No problems. Something I haven't done. I probably have messed up something with the paths. Where does this need to be saved in? Add-ons plugin name. Okay. In the main toolbar, click on project settings, plugins. Create new plugin. Plugin name, my plugin piece. Add-ons, piece node. Piece node. Script name. Activate now. Custom piece. Yes. Add-ons. Piece node. Custom piece node.cs. Support can have one which already exists. What is going on here? Okay, well then custom piece node 2 doesn't support act. Well then how do I add? Okay, create. Okay, plugin.cfg resource. And then what does this do in the plugin section? Okay, yeah, so let's put all of these in piece node 2. Let's delete this one. Let's rename piece node. Hopefully this still works. Edit piece node plugin name. Piece node. Cancel. Enabled. Unable to load. Add-on script from path. Okay. Script name. Update. Unable to load script from path. Res add-ons. Okay. Let's see what's wrong. Godot. Save and close. The things I do just to have like a base type. Actually, wait. I don't need to do all of this. I don't need to do all of this. Well, damn it. Okay, let's take a look if this works, but I'm scrapping this idea. Okay. Well then, how do I delete this one? Hello? Can I just yeet? And then no plugins. Wonderful. No plugins. This is as simple as I actually need to do nothing. Scripts. Create a new script. piece.cs. And then I just open it up. Is a node 3D. Have a public int GUID. And now you want to see the magic? You want to see what I need to do? Bam. Done. And now if I work, if I build, the player is this is going to work, right? Yes, the player is piece export category piece. So yeah, this is the GUID. Let's build it. And now I should have a separate category always. Components, testing, do not touch. I guess I do not have that. One moment, please. Export category piece. The player is a piece. So then, where is it? Let's build piece. There we go. It's at the very bottom. I don't know why. I do know why. It's because can I do something about that? No, I cannot. It is a shame. Well, I guess the piece stuff is just gonna go to the very bottom. I guess that's their structure. It's like goes bottom to top. So yeah, so that's piece. Wait, but does this even need then the export category? Build. Hello? Excuse me, I would like to rebuild. All right, now there we go. Now that looks good. Right, we have that. Let's then do character. Character is also a piece. Then a chest is also an area 3D. Oh no. Area 3D. Okay. Paint. Okay. Scratch this idea. We are not doing that because we cannot. And so we are going to be ref counted from now on. Yeah. We are going to be ref counted. That's going to be the object. Though I guess there's also get property. Um. Yeah, I know what's. Yeah, I'm gonna use the old system. I'm gonna use the old prototype stuff. And there's no gonna be piece ref count. The GUID is just gonna be like object data stuff. Yeah, okay. Okay. Alright, I know what's gonna happen, and it's gonna be pretty. It's gonna actually be pretty darn pretty. It's gonna look nice. So I'm not gonna use a string. I'm gonna just use an int right now. I could declare just a type. We C# type def. Equivalent of type def in C#. No, there's no true equivalent of type def. You can't use using directive within one file, but that will only affect our file. And CSS my experience is that type is usually used within a single type that you can use for a whole project. That build does not exist in C# because there's no including functionality. Allow you to include the using directives or mode. Unfortunately, the example to give does have a fixed implicit method to group conversion. You can change your ad subscription line to just. John really gave a nice solution. I didn't know you could do that. At times, I resorted to was inheriting from class and creating its structures. Not the best solution, but okay, now that's fine. Just gonna be an int pieces equals new thing, right? I guess static pieces. Just pieces, yeah. Characters are also pieces, but that's fine. So now let's just add 0. No, let's change this to string name for characters and int for pieces. And piece nodes pieces dot add piece nodes. Piece nodes. Now you're just gonna be 1000 plus I. Okay. There we go. So now get random target. Get random piece self. Return index is equal to random dot gd dot random range. How late is it? A little late, but not too bad. Random range between 0 and pieces dot length. Dot pieces dot length. Stop it. Length. What's wrong? Size. Length. Count. Okay, sorry. Pieces dot count, and then range -1. Return pieces instance dot index. There we go. And then we just go to character. Right, start attacking. Look at objects, start moving while looking. Start combating. Target. GD. Rand. Get random target. So for example, Grubbo, right? Get random target. Where success is equal to player is equal to gd.randef 0.5. If player, then we return that. Else we return world.random piece self. Right. So now Bravo should yes, I need to also do yeah, this is done. Let's get the chest. Where is the chest? Chest. This chest. Oh yeah, I could just do that. My mistake. Chest. Okay. Let's see if okay. World CS 48. World CS 48. Instance.pieces. Oh, right. Okay. Equals 1000 plus. Yeah. When you make weird systems, you gotta get weird results, don't you? Come on, Grubbo. You can do it. Combating. Something, no animation. Attack 1. Can I force characters to attack the chest? Oh yeah, I can just do that. That's nice. Action index equals to 8. So now everyone is gonna start combating except for Grubbo. Ooh, okay. I want Grubbo's follow distance to be different. Grubbo attack collider. Actually, yeah, that's character attack collider. I don't like that naming. Identifier. Build. Right. Attack identifier, this one. Then attack hit stream is this one. Then the sound stream for a hit these. There we go. And now Bravo is attacking me first. That is all right. And then hopefully, oh, I forgot to do the distance thing. Grubbo. Grubbo data. Data attack distance. You're like a 1.5. Okay, so there's no like hit, but it definitely should. Okay. Is the identifier enabled? It is enabled. Let's go to chest. I don't know. On area entered. Area is not collision identifier. Identifier strength is less than 5. Okay. Let's do. Let's add the end to the animation stuff. Add. Let's add this key. So from here, it's gonna be. So here it's gonna be 0. Here it's gonna be 10. Here it's gonna be 0 again. So it goes 0, 10, 0. And then for attack 2, create 0, 10, no, not 1, 10, 0. Okay. Alrighty. Yes. Now, I know that I should be doing the call method stuff, but that's fine. Yeah. Let's take a look at now. I'm also curious to see if anything I can hear anything. Yeah, okay. There's something here. Okay, nice. So if I go to Palm, oh no, get over here. So many scripts. Palm and chest. So in Palm, I fixed it to be these 8-player. Alrighty. Let's see. And they should also open too. Oh my god, they're actually hitting. Sometimes. What's wrong? Why are you not hitting? Is it actually just like not low enough? No, it's getting it there. Okay, wait. Is this? Ah, okay, that's why it wasn't working. Owner is Grubbo. There we go. Okay, I did something wrong with the animations back there. I guess strength is 0, 10, 0. Wait, so this. Ah, okay, no. Wait. This is still 10. Oh, wait, I can do easing 0. No. Well, I guess I'm just gonna do that then. Key 10 up to here. 0. Then 10. Then that. Okay. Okay, what is wrong? Okay. 0, then 10. Then 10. I guess just pull these back a little bit more. Maybe. Nice. Okay. I know what's wrong. It's because I've been doing this all for attack 2. I need to fix attack 1 as well. Insert key. This is 0. Then we straight jump to 10. Wait, no. This is 0, 0, 10. This is 10. Nice. Okay. Okay. Come on. Please go fight. Liz. Go fight. Go fight the chest. No. Okay, there we go. Nice. Okay, it's working perfectly. Great. And there's also the sound. Alright, so I guess that's that for now. I'm just gonna hit this complete. And attack hit SFX done. Attack done. happy with that. And I'm gonna call it here. It's been a wild stream. I got really excited about pieces working and stuff. Yeah, just but hey, so far the day is going much better than yesterday. So happy about that. And yeah, I think I'm gonna get some stuff done today, definitely. So thank you very much for watching. I'm going to go head off and make breakfast now. So yeah, best of luck with whatever you're working on. Have a good rest of your day, morning, evening, night, etc. And I will see you tomorrow.